Hello, thanks for joining us. In a day of dramatic developments, the international custody battle over 4 sisters is set to continue in Australia's High Court. The girls were tracked down on the Sunshine Coast last night and taken into safe care. Chloe Baker has been following the story. Chloe, the girls are still here for now.
Bill, they are still here, at least until Friday when their case goes back before the High Court. Now, the girls are being represented by high-profile barrister Tony Morris QC. And today he argued that because they hadn't been legally represented through any of the initial proceedings in the family law court, that they hadn't received natural justice. Now, the Department of Child Safety said that children were never heard, only heard in exceptional circumstances, and this wasn't an exceptional circumstance, but Mr Morris said that was a 2-decade-old law, it was outdated, and he would be challenging it. Earlier today, the girl's mother made an application for a stay of the order in the family law court. That was dismissed, though, by the judge because he said should the High Court application be successful, it will in fact set aside that initial order, which was that the girls are to return to Italy with their father.
For more than a week, the 4 girls had been in hiding with their great-grandmother. Last night, Queensland Police tracked them down.
I'm not to say anything.
The sisters were taken from a Sunshine Coast property and handed over to federal police agents.
I have to have faith that the federal police will be looking after them and understanding what they'll be going through.
Officers had acted on a tip-off. Their mother hasn't seen her daughters and now doesn't know where they are.
Very, very distressed. Understandably, she just wants to know that her girls are safe and that they're being looked after as well.
The family court ordered the girls be sent back to Italy with their father.
Just to make sure they're okay, you know, just to make sure they're okay.
But they're hoping an application to the High Court will mean the girls who were born and raised in Italy will stay in Australia. Their mother has hired a new legal team to help fight the orders.
All we want in all of this is for the kids to have an opportunity for somebody to speak to them, to ask them how they're feeling and what their thoughts and feelings are. They're young women, they're not little kids, they're not little bubbies.
That was the girl's aunt speaking to us earlier today. Now, the case will be back in the High Court on Friday. It may not progress any further, though. The judge simply wants to hear a more detailed picture from the lawyers about what their arguments will be. If she decides it does progress, then there could be a full bench sitting of the High Court in August. So until then, the girls will remain here. We have heard some reports it could be with foster carers, but we've also been told that they could go back to family and possibly even their mother.
OK, thank you, Chloe Baker.